There's a new upgraded King Kone in town that makes the most versatile cone filling machine on the market an even better purchase for pre-roll businesses of any size. Introducing the King Kone 2.0, the next evolution of one of our top-selling cone filling machines, ready to take your pre-roll line to the next level. So, what's new? Let's get into it. Hi, and welcome back to the Custom Cones USA channel, home of the pre-roll experts and your one-stop shop for all things pre-roll. Today we're talking about the updated King Kone, a new and improved version of the previous King Kone pre-roll filling machine. This new machine does all the things the original can do, but even better. Plus, it makes one simple change that is going to save you time and money. Made of metal, this new King Kone machine is the same size and footprint as the original, with the ability to fill 169 cones at one time. The big change, however, in the new updated model is a new motor that is both more powerful and much easier to control. It still uses vertical bounce as opposed to vibration to better help pack your cones, but the updated King Kone uses a stepper motor, which provides more torque and allows for much finer control and the ability to handle heavier loads with ease. Whereas the previous King Kone's motor allowed users to select a setting between 0 and 35, with an initial setting of about 17 to 18 to begin bouncing, the new stepper motor gives users a much larger range, increasing to 0 to 99 with bouncing beginning slowly at the first setting and increasing all the way through to 99. This gives producers much more incremental control over how tight or loose they want to pack their pre-rolls, including the ability to dial it in a lot tighter for each strain's unique properties and moisture content. The new stepper motor also generates less heat than the original motor, which means it needs less air to cool it and can be enclosed, which prevents flour from falling into the motor compartment, saving time and money. The new motor also creates a much less violent bounce than the original, and we have found the updated King Kone machine won't bounce your table or other work surface nearly as much as the previous model. Finally, the updated machine comes with a detachable AC adapter, and though that doesn't seem like much, it does remove a tripping hazard and can prevent your machine from being accidentally pulled off the work surface onto the floor, which could slow your production schedule and potentially damage a machine. Like the original machine, the updated King Kone is still designed to work with all standard size pre-rolled cones right out of the box, including half-gram 84mm pre-rolled cones, 3/4-gram 98mm pre-rolled cones, and full-gram 109mm pre-rolled cones. If you're looking to pack 98mm slim or reefer size cones or 70mm mini cones, also known as dog walker pre-rolled cones, you will need to purchase additional cone filling trays. There is also a tube conversion kit available that allows you to easily switch over to filling pre-rolled tubes with the same machine. Plus, all original accessories will fit and work with the updated King Kone. So, if you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use cone filling machine, consider the new and improved King Kone, which has all the same great features you've come to expect from the King Kone, but with a new, more powerful motor to make packing your cones even easier. We've even bundled it for you with a grinder and store credit as part of our money-saving starter bundle, or with the tube conversion kit for companies looking to expand their pre-roll line beyond traditional cones. Call the pre-roll experts today for a full demonstration of the new King Kone cone filling machine. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.